In this video I'm going to show you how you can add a language on keyboard on the Huawei P30. To do this, open Messages, then start a new chat, tap here on the blue button, tap the contact you want, then here tap on the 3 points in the right bottom corner, tap on Settings, here choose Languages, and now you can select here any language you want. Now let's pick a language. I'm just gonna take Romanian. Here, let's take Romanian. Wait until it's downloaded. Awesome, Romanian is downloaded. And here what you see is just deselect English, and now you have Romanian on. So guys, awesome. This is how you can change the language on your keyboard. If you want to have, for example, English back, what you just do is you deselect Romanian, you select English again. And if you want to delete the language, what you can do is just long press. And then here tap on the bottom delete. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And then I want to thank you for watching and see you in the next video.